Hey, let's review your MT9 LT1 assignment. Whether you do it before you do your paper problems or after do the paper problems, do the first 12 questions in ALEKS. On question 14, we're told it's a square. We're told the radius is 3. Well, that means my other radius must be 3 then, right? So that makes my whole side 6. I've got a right triangle here then, don't I? Q to R is my hypotenuse, so QR squared equals 6 squared plus 3 squared. Or QR squared will be 36 plus 9. So QR squared is 45. I'll take the square root of both sides, and I want to simplify this, so that's the square root of 9 times the square root of 5, which turns out to be 3 square roots of 5. On question 15, we know C is the midpoint of A to E, and B is the midpoint of A to C. So I know A to B and B to C are the same. And D is the midpoint of C to E. Oh, well, that means, and if we go back to the beginning, C is the midpoint of A to E, so I know all these parts are the same, don't I? Okay, now, and we know A to E is 32. So there are, if we take a look at it here, dang it, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. So 32 divided by 4 is 8. So I know each one of these are 8 units long. So what's the circumference of C to the nearest hundredth? Well, that will be C is pi times D, or pi times 16. And they don't tell me the units, so we're just going to use your calculator. Take 16 times pi, round it to 2 decimal places, I get 50.27. Now, let's take a look at our next problem. In our next problem, we got this right triangle inscribed in circle M as shown. And which of the following is the best estimate for the circumference? So what I'm going to do here is J to K, I'm going to call D for diameter. I've got a right triangle, so D equals 11 squared plus 20 squared. So D is 121 plus 400. So D is 521. D squared, that is. So then, to find my circumference, I'm going to take pi times the square root of 521. And we'll use our calculator again. So you go pi times the square root of 521 on your calculator. I get about 71.7. And so H, I think, is our closest answer here. And there we have that one.